hard to see. Really foggy. Really bad visibility.
Kilometer 10.2 basically, but now it's an HP section 129. This will update when I start moving. My dad's coming, but you know, we're sticking together. I'm navigating, I wait at the waypoints, and then yeah, so we're good. What's wrong?
Me perdí.
Oh shit.
Me perdí en un Y. Tomé a la izquierda y no vi tu huella.
Oh.
Entonces seguí, no vi tu huella. Entonces tomé a la derecha.
Yeah.
Hasta que encontré tu huella.
Yeah.
Encontré tu track.
Yeah, that Y, if there's a Y and it's not marked, it means it comes back.
Yeah. No, pero yo hice L sharp.
Yeah.
Que no, iba así el camino y el Y estaba como quarter meter behind me. Entonces dije, no, por aquí no es. Entonces me metí a cruzarla hasta buscar tu huella y la encontré.
Yeah. All right, so right here is an HP 129 cap. So I'm gonna get on cap, and once I'm on cap, you can see it on there. Let me show you. Is it on?
No, está amarrado al encendido, se apaga.
Oh yeah, okay.
La cagada, porque...
Huh, because it's not wired to the bike.
Ah, okay.
So...
Ah, pensé que estaba...
No, it has battery. Right here on the back,
okay.
There's a button. You're gonna go cap. Feel it?
Imagino.
So there is your cap heading right there. You'll see it.
Okay.
But yeah, 129, and we're just gonna go straight, and I'm gonna wait for you every 5 kilometers.
Okay, 129.
Cap.
Ah, ya.
I should mention this in the HP. You good? You want water?
Oh, yeah, tomamos solo.
Okay. 18, whatever.
Espérame, te tomo una foto ahí.
Yeah, you can still die for sure. Thank you. $23.
Está buena esa bolsita.
Right? 26.3.
That was a close call, let me tell you.
Holy shit. Holy shit. It's soft, for sure.
It's really soft.
Yeah. Stop back there.
Dale. Foto. Okay, what are you?
No, it's gonna keep times, Jimmy. Let's just push it this way. Holy shit. Oh. Okay. Then I'm gonna get on the gas. I'm gonna ask you to pull. Pull. Push and pull up. Yeah. No, I mean pull up upright. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay.